everyone. Hi. This is Marlene with Dixie Quilters. Welcome to my channel. I have received another package from Soft Squares. Oh boy, let's see what's in there. Lynn with Soft Squares has been running some bargains during the weekend of Labor Day. So I was pretty excited to jump on that. I think I mentioned it in some of the postings that I was doing. Woo, okay. It's heavy. There's a lot of fabric in here. Okay, let's see. How does that open? All right through here. These are my craft scissors. Okay, here we go. Wait a minute, where's my glasses? Ooh. I like a good invoice, don't you? With pictures and colors. I just love that. Sometimes you get a package with no invoice. It just doesn't seem the right. Well, so here first of all, we'll get a little thank you for your order. Oh, from Lynn. It's like a playing card. Oh, cool. And a very nice business card. I like those. Let's see what else is coming. Quilt retreat for spring. You know, I think I'm actually going to reserve those days off. I might actually do this. We'll see. So she's doing her next retreat April 7 to 11 in 2026. She says it's $8.50 per person, includes transportation to and from the airport, a gift bag, a t-shirt, projects, contests, and an excursion on the railroad, and breakfast and dinner every day. Well, gee whiz, that's pretty good. There will be an opportunity to visit the Soft Squares shop. Is that the shipping container that you have put it in the back? And utilize a retreat discount. Oh, I love that. That makes me laugh. You're moving a giant container into your yard instead of building another she shack. I think it's a great idea because if you ever expand, you can take it with you. You know. And here we are with Make It Merry. I like that one too. Do you remember this one? She still has that one on board, ready to roll. And I think she just finished this spectacular one. Remember how cute that one is? That one. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's see if we can open it up. So pretty. Let's just do that. Woo! Oh boy. Look at all this good stuff. All right, let's take our colorful invoice. Dark teal called Blossom Lane, Oceans Quilting Cotton by Catherine Linnaeus for Riley Blake. Oh, I like that. Well, you guys know how I like teal. I'm doing the whole flowering process with teal and taupes. And I'm doing it on something else. Oh, I have a bunch of dinosaurs in my dinosaur quilt in teal also. Nice. Feels good. This one is, oh, that's cute. Bumbles and Bears. And this was only $4.50 a yard. This one, by the way, was $6.60. Also a bargain and a half. But this is Sandy Gervais of Pieces from My Heart for Riley Blake. So these are high quality fabs. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. And then this one, 2-yard cut of Countryside Floral, Coral Quilting Cotton by Lisa Audit for Riley Blake, $6.60 a yard. I'm gonna I'm going to consider using this for the Jane Austen 250. We'll see. Feels nice. Feels nice. Okay, let's see what we got over here. This next one is Countryside, the main print called Storm Quilting Cotton. Main print is called Storm. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Now those are pretty big flowers for a little tiny pieced quilt, but we'll see what we do with them. I like this background slate blue color a lot. It feels good. I know, I told myself I wasn't going to buy a bunch, but gee whiz, these prices were so good. And then this one is called, oh, it's cute, Sunshine and Sweet Tea. Okay, so we got 2 yards of that at $6 per yard. Now that is incredible. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Now this is too modern a shape of flower for my reproduction stuff, but it's awfully nice. I really like it. And with 2 yards, you could make some major inroads on a quilt. That is super, 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 super nice. Thank you, Lynn, for making those little mistakes with your figuring and computations, because I sure had fun buying all this stuff at these really reduced rates. I think she mentioned that she made a boo-boo and gave us a really steep discount over the holiday weekend. Oops. Sorry, Mr. Fix-It, but man, are they pretty, and I get to have them. Thank you so much. All right. Well, I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. Oh, this one I'm going to use with flowering, the monthly with the FatQuarterShop box, because I needed a little bit more darker teal for that project. This one and this one may get into the reproduction 250, Jane Austen 250. This one, no plans for it, but it was such a good price I couldn't pass it up. And I really don't have very many greens at all. So this would work for a leaf green and any kind of a flowery something or other. And this was just plain pretty. That's all there was to it. And it's, of course, it's in my family of colors with teal, aqua, and peach. I love it. Again, thank you, Lynn. Bye.